Hey my lovelies, welcome back, or hello if you're new here. I'm Roxanne. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick review on some brand new liquid lipsticks, and they are the Air Matte Lip Colours by NARS. I've got 4, and I thought I would do a try on and review and also a swatch test as well so you can see them. I've actually been wearing a few of these over the last few weeks and I have an opinion, so I will share that at the end. But before we even get started, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get stuck in. So I have 4 shades like I said. So the shades that I do have, Pin Up, which is this reddy shade. I have Joyride, which the packaging looks a bit more coral. I have a lighter pink called Shag. And we have Chaser, which is another pinky shade, but just a bit more of a neutral pink. So the first thing I'll do is swatch them and then we'll try them on. So we'll go from lightest to darkest, I think. So I'm going to swatch Shag first. That is the shade Shag. It's actually a really kind of mauvey pinky colour, which I really like. It's very different to the shade of the packaging. I mean, they've kind of got it, but not quite. Then we have Chaser. Which is actually, although the packaging's darker, it's actually a lighter pinkish shade than Shag. They have got some fascinating names. Then we have Joyride, which again is this corally pink, very summery. Which is that shade right there. And finally Pin Up. So there's actually quite a few shades. I don't know how many shades NARS actually do. There's some nuder shades I actually really like the look of. But I've just picked ones that I just thought the packaging was really nice. That's Pin Up right there. All lovely shades, very much in the pinky reddy colours. That's very much more my lipstick colour. So the first shade I'm going to try on today is Shag, so I'll just zoom you in. Sorry, I've just had to close the blind. So that is the shade Shag. Next up is the shade Chaser. Now Joyride. And then finally we have Pin Up. That's it. That is all 4 of the Air Matte NARS liquid lipsticks that I own. What are my thoughts? So, firstly, really love the formula of these. They go on so nice. They don't dry your lips out. They feel really buttery. I think they're super easy to apply because of the doe foot applicator. Just glides on. It just kind of covers more ground than what a normal kind of liquid lipstick that I've used before has, which I really love. I do really like that. My favourite colours has to be, at the shades I own, Pin Up and Shag. I think those 2 are the shades I wear the most. Love this colour, like orangey red. It's very rich, very like glamorous, and I really like the deeper pink, but it's kind of more natural on me than I think the brighter colours. I personally don't like Joyride. To me it's just too bright. It just doesn't suit me at all, and I thought when I looked at that shade for my skin, normally like that colour would suit me, but it just looks too in your face for me to be confident and comfortable wearing it. So I'm not a huge fan of that shade at all. I do really like Chaser. I think Chaser's a really nice pinky colour. I've worn it quite a few times as well, and I do like it, but I just prefer these two. The price, so for one of these it's £23, which I think is actually really quite pricey for a liquid lipstick. When you think about the MAC powder lip liquid lip colour, can't say that, it's a mouthful. The MAC powder lip is actually only £19. So that's like £4 cheaper, and to be honest, the quality are really similar. I think the payoff is really similar, although I think the MAC powder lipstick actually lasts a bit longer on. So I'd be more inclined to buy more of this shade this product than I would the NARS one, in all honesty, just because you get more for your money. But I do really like the product. I do really like the formula, and I do think they look very nice on. They feel really nice on the lips. They're very lightweight, they're not drying, and they just feel really quite soft, rather than, you know, some liquid lipsticks are quite dry and they make your lips feel really like you're need hydrating. That's what it reminds me of, but this is just beautiful. So yeah, overall really love them. I think they're a fab product, would highly recommend it. Just not too impressed with the price, but I do think if you buy it you won't be disappointed with the quality of the product. So yeah, I hope you found this really helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.